Hi Bree, let's do the equation that you've got. I've put into my calculator in the graphs mode, x bracket x minus 2x close bracket. I'm going to draw it. My scales have been drawn, and the problem with it is that it's going to be, oh, yep, that's in. Okay, the problem is I won't get to see anything. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got. I need to go to the window. Okay, and I've got it set from initial, which is -6. This is what happens when you reset it. Okay, so if I choose standard, it's going to go from -10. That's not going to get to see the graph that I need to see. So I need to go from, we talked about it, when it goes to go from 0 to 30. So I'm going to go -5, just a bit lower. Okay, enter. And I'm going to go 30, so I might go to 40, so I get more to see. I'm going to choose a scale of 10. The reason I'll get 10, I'll go 0, 10, 20, 30, so that sort of thing, so I'll be able to see things. And then I'm going to go down. Minimum, I have no idea what the graph is going to be, say, so let's just let it do its thing. Okay, so let's exit out of there. So exit gives me back to my equation screen, and then I'm going to draw it. Now, what I see is that I see a line here and a line here, so I'm missing the top of my graph. So at this point, I'm going to have a think about what it's going to be in terms of its middle values. Now, I can either calculate the middle value, or I can get it to do its own thing. Now I'm going to just pretend I don't know how to do this. I'm going to go choose auto, and then you can see what happens is it draws what it can. Now sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't. What we're going to do is look at the view window on this. So the window's gone up for minimum, it's gone up to 450. Okay, down to -800. We don't need it that low, so let's go down and choose 0, or let's choose a little bit lower than that. Let's choose -2. That's because the height is above 0, so therefore I'm just choosing that value there so we can see something on our graph. And it's got 450 there, and why don't we leave that at 450? Okay, so let's leave that in as it is, and let's draw it. All right, now we have a perfect curve. Okay, let's have a look at something that we can see. Let's do a G-solve. Let's do the root. If you have a root, that's not going to be very good, so let's exit. Let's draw this again. Let's just scroll down a bit so you can see the bottom of your graph. So let's try again. Let's G-solve, and I'm going to choose a root, and that starts at 0. That's cool, and the other side is 30. Just exactly what I thought. What I want to try and find is the midpoint, say, and we're trying to find the vertex. So I'm going to press G-solve again, and this one will be a maximum at the top. Now, it might see it, it might not. If it doesn't see it, it will tell me. It says that the middle point is 15, x is 15, makes perfect sense, halfway between 0 and 30, and the maximum is worked out to be 450. That might be helpful to you, not, depending on what the question is. Okay, hope that helps.